Voice is now launching Janta Unmuted, a socio-political magazine. It's a quarterly magazine, born out of necessity but driven by purpose. Janta Unmuted is the movement of the voices, the issues that have been unreported, the voices that have not been heard. So Janta Unmuted it's about people. It's about their issues and their concerns. During COVID, I observed many senior citizens living alone and they had no help. Since younger generation, they can order anything online, but it was difficult for them. And after COVID also, I observed that during rainy season, water is entering the residential areas due to bad roads, potholes, and they were just crying for help there. So I decided that this needs to be addressed on regular basis. So Janta Unmuted is for all such issues and voices. My inspiration came from my real life issues, concerns, what I observed around my surroundings, and they impacted me. We often say that finance is not for women, and being a single woman, I realize that single women are facing a lot of issues. There's a lot of harassment, blackmailing at the family level, be it at the financial property matters. So I decided that yes, this is going to be the voice of the woman, and indeed, finances are for women and they are there to decide for themselves. We are not nudging in any undue criticism. It is not that we are criticizing the government or any authority. They are doing their part. But we wish to create a bridge between the citizens and the government and the authorities so that there is a balance and they come to know there are many issues. We cannot say authorities are informed about each and everything. So Janta Unmuted will be that bridge for that. We started with the Unheard Voice and we were covering senior citizens, we covered exhibitions, we covered select body issues, we were talking to residents. Action was there also, but the power of pen we cannot underestimate. So it had to be in letters. That is why the Unheard Voice is now launching Janta Unmuted. They can write to us through our email. It's jantaunmuted@gmail.com. They can share their stories, their concern, and we'll make sure that we reach out to them and their voices are being reported and presented as well.